Today I'm converting these new garbage bins into rain barrels. This is a less expensive option to convert these bins versus buying brand new rain barrels. Please stick with me as I quickly go through the steps on this DIY project. Time to grab the drill and get busy. The hole saw I'm using will cut the correct diameter hole for the rain barrel spigot to fit through. Quick tip, use some sandpaper or sanding cloth to remove the rough edges. This will smooth out the surface, creating a better seal when the spigot is installed. After sanding, the surface is nice and smooth and ready to move on to the install. This is the rain barrel spigot I'm using. I'll put a link for this and the hole saw in the description. The spigot has two rubber washers to form a seal on both sides of the spigot has a shutoff and connects to a water hose. Alright, time to insert the bulkhead fitting through the hole that we just cut. The kit also came with a rope which goes through the bulkhead fitting. Feed the nut through the nut and washer. Pull the rope taut to hold the bulkhead fitting in place while tightening the nut. Grab a wrench and snug up the nut. Alright, with that done, grab the plumber's tape provided with the kit. Quick tip, wrap the plumber's tape clockwise, which will pull the tape tighter as you tighten the nut. Also start with the tape 1 or 2 threads back from the opening, which will prevent the tape from blocking the opening. Wrap the tape a few times around the threads and pull it taut to get it into the thread grooves. Time to grab the garden hose shutoff valve and attach it. Quick DIY project done. If you give this a try, it works out well for you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.